Hi everybody, welcome to whoever is joining in. Good afternoon. I'm Elena presenting you today's session of Live Beauty by INIKA Organic, and today I'm going to be focusing on our eyeshadows, our beautiful richly pigmented loose mineral eyeshadows and our certified organic eyeliners, because this is going to be the quickest and easiest way to achieve a pop of color on the eyes to enhance your eye color. So I'm going to go through the specific eyeshadow colors to really bring out your eyes. So first of all, I'm going to talk about these beautiful certified organic eye pencils. So they have certified organic coconut oil, so they glide on really easily and can be used as an eyeshadow. So what I've done today is actually used the pure purple pencil on my eyelids and just blended it up to give a beautiful base. So it's got a gorgeous creamy base, and then I've used the richly pigmented loose mineral eyeshadows. The one that I've got on is the Autumn Plum. So the plums are a beautiful neutral color that will suit all eye colors. So that's why I wanted to show you that one on top. But underneath, I've got the emerald eye pencil, and I've mixed it in with a bit of the indigo. So really, I don't want to tell you what to do. There are no rules when it comes to makeup. So, but there are certain colors that you can use to enhance your eye color. So first of all, for blue eyes, you are going to use some beautiful coppers and browns and bronzes and golds to bring out your blue eyes, to really make them pop. So we have the most amazing richly pigmented loose mineral eyeshadow in Copper Crush. And this you'll be able to see on the camera. It's just got a gorgeous, gorgeous reflect. And these can be used dry or applied with a damp brush. So I'm just going to swipe that on the back of my hand, and you can see the gorgeous, gorgeous reflect and the glow. So can you imagine that on a blue eye? Absolutely amazing. So you can use a little bit of an accent on the eyelid, just above the iris. You can even go underneath the waterline. It doesn't have to go all over. So just a little bit of an accent, like today, I've gone for a little bit of a peacock inspired look. Another shade that would be amazing on those blue peepers is the Gold Dust. So the Gold Dust, and this is great on everybody because you can use it in the inner corner, on the brow bone as a gorgeous accent, and the lighter shades can be used on the face as a glowing highlighter. So I don't know if you can see, but I've got a little bit on my collarbone. I do have the Whisper and a little bit of the Peach Fetish. So this is the gold. So you can see that reflect amazing, and they are water resistant. So they do not crease, and they've got a really great staying power. So for blue eyes, the bronzes, the browns, the golds, absolutely amazing. Now, if you have green eyes, then you would be looking at the pinks, the violets, the purples, the mauves, to really contrast with the green and really make them pop. So there's a gorgeous color, burnt sienna, that I'm just going to show you here. It's a nice neutral, but it's got like a little bit of a pinky mauvey tone to it. So that is going to be amazing on green eyes to really make them pop. You can use that on any eye color because it's got that copper. It'll look beautiful on blue, and then you would see a stunning effect with the Autumn Plum on a green eye. And also the pencils on a green eye. So the pure purple has got a little bit of a shimmer through it, and you can see how beautiful they glide. They're so creamy, so you can really blend them over the eyelid as an eyeshadow, and that way anything that you put on will really intensify and hold. If you are after something without any shimmer, So a purple that's got more of a matte, there's the purple minx. So that one there. And next we have brown eyes. So I've got brown, maybe a little bit ambery sometimes, an orange twilight kind of look comes through there. So to contrast with the brown, you can use deep navies, greens and teals, purples also. So we don't have a blue or a teal in the eyeshadow, but you can create your own shadow with these pencils. So I've mixed the indigo, which is great because it's matte, it doesn't have any shimmer. And then the emeralds would be your green, which is beautiful on its own, but I've mixed the two together. So it's just really, really easy. I can show you actually. I've popped it in my waterline. My eyes are a little bit red today. Late nights. So that's the beautiful teal. Okay, so it's as simple as adding a swipe of underliner. I saw last year, the New York Fashion Week, INIKA actually partnered up with some sustainable designers over there, and purple underliner was a real trend that came through. So you can even use your purples underneath on the bottom lash line. So they're amazing. So certified organic coconut oil to make the eyeliners really, really creamy, and richly pigmented mineral loose eyeshadows. And they're great for sensitive eyes as well. So I hope you've enjoyed the little demo on the eye colors, and some little tips on some colors that you can go and have a look at your local INIKA stockist, or go online. We've got our blog, which is full of information, and I just wanted to leave you with an extra little tip, because you can actually custom make your own cream eyeshadow with these richly pigmented mineral shadows. If you want to create more of a matte effect, you can use our Perfection Concealer, our certified organic Perfection Concealer. I'm just going to show you. So I'm just going to pop a little dab on there. If you wanted to create more a shimmery effect with your cream eyeshadow, you can use a Light Reflect. So I'm just going to add a little bit on the back of my hand so you can see. And I'm going to choose the Copper Crush and just grab a little bit of that. So they come in these dear little pots, which last ages because a little bit does go a long way. So I'm just going to use my fingertip just to grab it, just to show you how you can create your own cream eyeshadow. So this is the Light Perfection Concealer, which will make your eyeshadow look more matte. Penel, my lip color, is actually one that I had on last week as well, just because it gives a natural lip flush, and it's not going to compete against whatever else I'm wearing. So it's actually the Lip and Cheek Cream. So it's the Lip and Cheek Cream in a gorgeous rosy flush. So I just pat that on the lips, and I've got a little bit of the lip serum on, just to make it shiny, glossy, and really, really nourished. So I'll just finish off this one. Thank you for asking. So the Copper Crush with the Light Reflect Cream. So that is going to make it more shimmery. And because of the mineral nature, it's creaseless. So it will go on the eyes and it will stay. It will stay and it won't crease, because sometimes when you think of a cream eyeshadow, you think, oh, it's going to crease, but it actually doesn't. So these are, once they set, they don't crease. Once they go on, see how it's nice and light reflective? Amazing. And that is your matte version using the same loose mineral eyeshadow. So you can use these all over the eye just as a beautiful wash of color, but then you can also use it as a base, so you can easily put things over the top. Now, Mickey, do you have 100% natural mascara? So all of our products from the INIKA range are 100% natural. So the certified organic mascara, so if you're looking for a certified organic mascara, the mascara is the one that you would be looking for, but all of them are 100% natural mineral based. Today I've got the long lash mascara on. So that was our first vegan mascara, but I also love the curvy lash, which is good if you want to lift your lashes, and it also thickens and volumizes as well. And then if you've got little tiny lashes, the bold mascara is really great to catch the little lashes and to really bring them out. So I've got also a little bit of the loose mineral on as a glowing highlighter on the cheekbone, inner corner, a little bit on the nose and the cupid's bow. So that's it for me for today, going through the loose mineral eyeshadows and the eyeliners. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please stay healthy, stay beautiful, enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week.